Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the assignment of week 4 of Nptel soft skills. So, the assignment is already prepared by me. So, in week 4 assignment 4 we have 13 questions, and the first question is fill in the blanks. Dash is one of the 5 C's that hampers the right attitude of communication. And for the options is given counseling and contending, so the right option is your contending. Now the second question, who said it about the culture and communication? Culture is a code. Communication requires coding and symbol that must be learned and shared. So for that we have two options. Matthew enrolled in culture and anarchy, and the second one is Alfred Smith in communication and culture. The right answer for question number 2 is Alfred Smith in communication and culture. Now in question number 3 we have Batna, Watna and Joba are related to dash skills. So we have two options for question number 3, that is negotiation and social. And for that the right answer for question number 3 is negotiation. Now moving to the next question number 4, the most acknowledged style for successful negotiation is gas. So for that we have also the two options, purple and the red, and the right answer for this question is purple. Now moving to question number 5, we have seen people from dash use poetic language in dealing with the customers. So it is also fill in the blanks in question number 5, and we have four options. We have two options, that is North America and Arabs. So people from Arabs use poetic language to dealing with the customer. Now moving to the 6, we should move from the ethnocentrism to dash. We should in question number 6 the options are, that is your ethno-relativism or Eurocentrism. So the right answer for question number 6 is ethno-relativism. Moving to question number 7, what is the full form of BATNA? And we have options: best agreement technique for negotiation and agreement, best agreement technique for negotiation and adaptation, best alternative to a negotiated agreement, and best acquisition technique for the negotiation and advancement. The right option for BATNA is best alternative to a negotiated agreement for question number 7. Moving to question number 8, what does organizational communication represents? What does organizational communication represents? That is, options are feedback, replication, transmissions, or all of these. The right answer for question number 8 is all of these. Which among the following is not an element of culture? We have options for question number 9 is ritual, identity, language, and diplomacy. So ritual, identity, and language are the element of a culture. Diplomacy is not the element of a culture. Moving to question number 10, on the negotiation table you should dash. So we have four options, and strictly follow the planning that you made before the negotiation, be prepared for the unprepared condition, ask for the negotiator to cancel the negotiation, or all of these. The right answer for question number 10 is be prepared for the unprepared conditions. Moving to question number 11, if you find a deadlock during the negotiation, then how will you handle it? In question number 11, again I am repeating, if you find a deadlock during the negotiation, then how we will handle it? And we have options: I will become confrontational, I will explain the consequences, I will use the ethical aspects of the agreement, both B and C. So I will be confrontational, I will explain the consequences, or I will use ethical aspects of the agreement. And for that the right answer for 11 is both B and C. Moving to question number 11, why does learning about culture become essential for a professional in an organization? This is the four more important question in question number 11, and the options are: it deviates the professional from the giving target, it helps in planning different strategies for different communication, it helps to understand the heterogeneity of different social groups. And the right answer for this question number 12 is it helps to understand the heterogeneity of different social groups. Which among the following are not true about culture? Question number 13. The options are culture represents identity rather than social discrimination. People belonging to low cultural context are supposedly rational. Cultural studies can be ignored as it doesn't impact the actions of customer directly. Or becoming cross-culture means denying the dynamic aspects of culture. For question number 13, the right answer as per my confirmation is culture represents the identity and other social discrimination. So this is all about question, assignment number 4, week 4 solutions. Hope you will find this helpful for you. Thank you to all.